Uh-oh, Laura. Looks like you need to install your Load Cell and TUP tool. The Load Cell and TUP tool are included in the tooling box. To begin, install the Load Cell. Make sure that you can read the manufacturer's name right side up. Turn the Load Cell into the tooling until it's snug. The connector should end up pointing in the back. Do not over-tighten the Load Cell or damage will occur. Second, tighten the connector into the Load Cell. Next, select the proper TUP tool. Most tests use the 40mm TUP tool. Install the TUP tool onto the Load Cell. Again, do not over-tighten. Tighten the TUP tool so that it is snug and will not come loose, but do not torque down on the TUP tool, which will cause damage on the Load Cell.